If you're looking for the perfect Valentine's Day dessert, this Oreo recipe will steal hearts. You only need simple ingredients: Oreos, cream cheese, whipped cream, and chocolate. Press the mixture firmly into your cups and chill while we prepare the filling. Beat the cream cheese with powdered sugar and vanilla until smooth and silky. Whip cold cream until light, fluffy, and airy. Gently fold the whipped cream into the mixture. This keeps it light and cloud-like. Pipe the creamy Oreo filling over the chilled base, creating beautiful layers. Pour hot cream over chocolate and stir until smooth and glossy. Drizzle generously. This is where the magic happens. Drizzle generously. This is where the magic happens. Chill, serve, and watch everyone fall in love.